what does that mean to be an independent artist? Like, do they just distribute your music and you have to take care of like touring and marketing and all that, or is it like a 50-50 type joint
It depends
venture?
on what type of independent situation you're in. There's few types. So Empire is a distribution, like, so they give you distribution, and they probably give you numbers from anywhere from 1585 split to 2085 split, whatever you can agree. And their job is to make sure your music is put up on all platforms, and they monetize the music so you could get paid every month. And if you can make $300 worth of music, or sell $300 worth of music, then you'll get a check minus whatever percentile it is, and up forward. But when an artist catches a buzz with one of these records, Empire is compelled to give you label support, and sometimes your split might go to a 50-50 till you recoup if they put money on radio promo or video promo. Then at that time they can act as a label for you because you have a record that makes sense for the both parties to continue with. Or you could just keep it how you want to keep it and just collect your money. And then you can sign to independent labels such as Koch, where the numbers might be a little bit different, but you're still an independent entity depending on how you strike your deal. But Koch is a label no matter how you look at it.